Good morning, class. Today I am going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams to take our Benchmark Advanced weekly test. Now, this is going to be something new for you. Most of you are not even used to logging into the computer, so I'm going to start from the beginning. Please follow along while you watch this video. Here's a look at the keyboard that we are most used to on our laptops at the school. You will need to hit 3 buttons to log into your laptop. The first button is Control, the second is Alt, and the third is Delete. When you hold all 3 of these buttons down at the same time, this screen will pop up. Now, this will be the challenging part. When we go to Waterford Lab, you are used to typing in WD as the username with no password. But when logging into your own account, you all have a different username and password. Your username is your year of graduation, which is 31. Then it is the first initial of your first name and your whole last name. For example, my username would be 31D Eaton. The password is your first initial and your last initial. So mine would be DE. So again, the username would be 31, first initial, last name, and your password would be your first initial, last initial. Once you have that entered in, go ahead and hit OK. Now, it will bring you to your home screen. You don't have the same tabs that I will have or the same shortcuts that I will have, but you will see Microsoft Office 365, which looks like a Windows icon with 4 different colored windows. Please double-click on this to open Office 365. Now, most of you will have some of the same ones as me, but not all of you will have the same icons as me on this page. But one of the icons that you will have is one that says Teams. Now, if you cannot read Teams, most of you can see that there are 2 people in that picture, or you all know your letters, so you can look for the T. Please click on that once. It will now bring you to the screen of Microsoft Teams. Now, you will not have all the ones I have, but you will have Mr. Eaton's guided reading. Now, please click on that, and it will bring you to our team. Now, there's a few things that you're going to find here. To start with, at the bottom, it says Start a New Conversation. If you ever have a question or you want to share something from a book you're reading, go ahead and type in there and hit Enter. But we'll talk about more of that later. What I really need you to do is I want you to focus on the top where it says Conversations, Files, Class Notebook, Assignments, and Mastery Club. Please click on Assignments. This will open up the assignments that we have in our notebook. We only have one assigned currently, which is due tomorrow. We will do this in class, but I would like you to get a head start by checking it out. After you get to this page, please click on the assignment, and it will open up a link for you to click Unit 10, Week 2, which takes you into a Microsoft form, which is very easy to use. Now, as soon as you click that, you'll begin your test. What you need to do is there are 15 questions. Each question is worth 1 point, and they are all multiple choice. Each question has 3 choices, and you may only pick one. So please make sure you read the question and all of the answers and select the best answer. All you have to do is hover your mouse over the circle you wish to select and click on it. After you answer all 15 questions, you will go to the bottom and hit Submit. Now, the really nice part about this is you do not have to wait for me to grade your test. As soon as you click Submit, it will tell you how many points out of 15 you got. So, if you would like to practice this, you may take the test tonight to see how you would do, and tomorrow we will do it together as review, because this first test will not be recorded on your report card. Now, after the test is taken, you may X everything out of your browser, and then you will need to shut down the computer. To do that, you will click the Windows icon in the bottom left-hand screen, and it will open up this menu. Then you will hit the power button, and then it'll bring up a window that says sleep, shut down, and restart. You are going to hit shut down, so the computer will completely turn off. When the lights go out on the computer, you may close it, look at the number on the top of your computer, and plug it into the correct station of our laptop cart. So, I hope this helped. Tomorrow I will be able to do this with you one-on-one, but if you would like to try it now, you will be better prepared for tomorrow. Thank you.